The John Madden Jr. Leadership Award recognizes a business sector individual who's made significant contributions to advancing arts and culture in Colorado. And the finalists are Dana Crawford for advocating, preserving, and revitalizing Denver's historic urban spaces for 40 years.
All of Denver's historic buildings were slated for removal, urban removal. That was something that motivated me and my investors quite strenuously. From a development perspective, the first project was Alerma Square, which this coming May we will be celebrating 50 years. It's all about people. And people like to go to destinations where there are other people. And I guess that all adds up to more vitality. I could see how we could fit a hotel into the Union Station, which would give it life 24 hours a day, 365 days out of the year, and would also give it an economic base. I believe that the Union Station project has redefined Denver. It's absolutely working beyond my fondest dream in terms of people really loving being there. And I like to sit there and I just feel like I'm watching America walk by. I'm hopeful that the residential life in downtown and that the transportation systems will work together along with our cultural life to continue to really make this a wonderful place to live.
Bill Marino for spearheading the creation and development of the Lakewood West Colfax Creative Corridor.
I'm the CEO and Executive Director of the Lakewood West Colfax Business Improvement District. That's an underpinning for 40 West Arts District, where I am the chairman of the board. There is a lot going on along West Colfax, and 40 West Arts District is a big part of that. In the 40s, 50s, and 60s, it was the place to be. Now, of course, with the interstate coming in the 60s and traffic patterns being rerouted, it went into a decline. But with the leadership of the city and a lot of business support and partnership, arts and culture is leading the way back. Leadership is about finding ways to involve as many people as possible. The Lakewood West Colfax Business Improvement District, West Colfax Community Association, and 40 West Arts District, all working together, all teamed up with the business to move West Colfax forward. It's really always about the community. And at 40 West Arts, our success has been a tribute to the community, to rally behind arts and culture and really take something that wasn't there, support it, and bring it to life. In 2015, we have a West Colfax Mural Fest planned where we're going to unveil 7 murals at once. One example I can give you just from the Edge Theater, they moved into our shared facility into 40 West Arts District about a year and a half ago, and they've seen their audience nearly double in that time frame. Business and arts and culture work hand in hand in that revitalization process. We're looking to bring more people, more investment, and more businesses to West Colfax as we continue this renaissance through arts and culture.
Craig Ponzio for transforming treatment and healing at Children's Hospital Colorado through the arts.
Was looking at a paper one day and saw a small article about an interest in creating an arts therapy program. I contacted the hospital and talked about the program. They had a dream, and I was able to assist them in making that dream happen.
The Ponzio Creative Arts Therapy Program works with kids in our psychiatric program. So about 3,000 at this point a year we're seeing, but that's expanding rapidly. Children sometimes are coming to terms with experiences they've had, memories they may have repressed.
And maybe for the first time ever, they're drawing something else and they're putting it down on paper. This is what I look like on the inside. And it's a frightened, scared person. And they can finally share that. And when they share it, they can begin to address it.
We even work with entire families. And so the art can give the whole family a new way to communicate with each other. We were able to create 3 different studios. So we have an art therapy studio, we have a recording studio, and then we have a studio that we use for both dance, yoga, and music. We also have 3 gallery spaces throughout the hospital.
Catherine has done a great job of creating a model that is known to children's hospitals across the country and admired. We would like to see children's hospitals across the country be able to put in a creative arts therapy program similar to this and reach tens and hundreds of thousands of kids that need this help.